creeps over fractured land, a painted scar across the sky, a silent plea from broken hands, a whispered prayer that won't pass by. Children's laughter, a forgotten sound, replaced by echoes of the fight. But in the rubble on the ground, a fragile flower seeks the light. Oh, a quiet dawn, a gentle home, the promise of a peaceful day where old wounds heal and silence comes and fear will finally fade away. We'll build a bridge from shore to shore with every stone, a loving thought, and close the book of endless war and find the peace that we have sought. The walls we built with fear and stone will crumble down like fallen leaves. We'll find the seeds of kindness sown in hearts that only now believe that every life a precious gift, a tapestry of shared design, and through the darkness we will lift a beacon beautifully divine. Oh, a quiet dawn, a gentle hum, the promise of a peaceful day where old wounds heal and silence comes and fear will find just stars in the same night. Let's build a world of open hands where understanding is the key, and walk together on the sands of a shore that's wild and free. The stories told in different tongues, the lullabies we sing to sleep, are songs that rise from honest lungs, promises that we must keep. To learn to listen, learn to share, to break the chains of ancient hate, and feel the love that's in the air before it's ever, ever too late. Oh, our shaded sky, no borderline, a canvas painted blue and white, a whispered truth, a silent sign. We're all just stars in the same night. Let's build a world of open hands where understanding is the key, and walk together on the sands of a shore that's wild and free. The walls are just a state of mind, the fence is built of human fear, but in the eyes of all mankind, a vision of the truth is clear. Our shared beneath the moon and the stars, no more scars. 1,000 drums of endless war, a symphony of fire and knock upon the wall, alone here in the pouring rain. The monuments of what we were now stand as ghosts of broken stone. A future blurred, a past a blur, a fear we've always known. But listen close, a rising tide, a harmony we start to play. It's the sound of healing deep inside, chasing all the gloom away. A violin soft, mournful cry, a cello's deep and steady beat as broken people learn to fly on wings of rhythm. gentle and warm, a promise that we can still save the tapestry of humankind, unfrayed by anger, strong and new. A peace we thought we'd never find, now shining brightly clear and true. But listen close, a rising tide, a harmony we start to play. It's the sound of healing deep inside, chasing all the gloom away. A violin soft, mournful cry, a cello's deep and steady beat as broken people learn to fly on wings of rhythm. Bittersweet, the scars will fade, the memories stay, a lesson learned, a solemn vow to never let the darkness sway the light we're building here and now. The sound of healing, the sound of healing. A new song for the world to sing, a new song for the world to bring. Peace is here, peace is here. A single spark in the darkest room, a tiny flame against the night, dispelling shadows, chasing gloom, with nothing but a gentle light. A lonely soul on a broken road, a heavy burden in their heart, but we can share that endless load and make a brand new gentle start. It's in the hands we hold, the stories we are told, the quiet comfort, brave and bold, a world of love more precious than gold. From every city, every town, we'll rise above the hate and dread and build a home on sacred ground with every hopeful word we've said. Enemy is just a name, a mirror image of our fear, a fragile heart that feels the same, a silent tear that's just as near. So let's reach out and find the grace the common thread that ties us all. And look into a stranger's face and answer mercy's gentle call. It's in the hands we hold, the stories we are told, the quiet comfort, brave and bold, a world of love more precious than gold. From every city, every town, we'll rise above the hate and dread and build a home on sacred ground with every hopeful word we've said. We don't need kings, we don't need crowns, just simple kindness day by day to mend the hurt and tear the walls down and finally find a better way. The hands we hold, the hands we hold, a brand new story to unfold, brand new story to unfold. Peace is the answer, peace is the answer. Desert of long, long war. We prayed for rain to wash away the bitter dust we've known before. But prayers are words and words are wind without the action, without the deed. So let's unite and let's begin to plant a new and hopeful seed. Oh, let the river of hope flow, let it rush on through the land. From every a gentle glow, a helping, healing, open hand. No mountain high, no valley deep can stop the current, strong and true. A promise that we'll always keep. A world made beautiful and new. We'll tear the flags that stand for strife and wave a banner pure and white, a celebration of our life and every sacred waking life. The children's eyes will see no gun, no fences built of wire and dread, just fields of green beneath the sun. chorus of a brand new day.
The peace a gentle breeze will bring to blow all sorrow far away.
River of hope,
River of hope,
river of hope,
let it flow,
let it flow
through every city,
every home.
peace is coming.
Peace is coming,
Peace is coming home.
river of hope,
Let it flow through every city. Peace is coming.
peace is coming,
Peace is coming home.
We line them up, the paper soldiers with painted faces, painted lies. We send them out to be a boulder beneath the cold and empty skies. We draw lines on ancient maps, think that bleeds and stains the ground, and set our foolish, deadly traps without a single truthful sound. But they're just paper made of ink. The walls we build, the words we say, they crumble down before you think. With every passing day, we're so much more than what we're told. The uniforms and flags we fly, a story waiting to unfold beneath the shed and open sky. The mothers weep for every day. Children ask, why did they go? It's just a game, a senseless game. Snow, the generals talk of victory, of heroes and of righteous cause. But all I see is misery, a breaking of all natural laws. But they're just paper made of ink. The walls we build, the words we say, they crumble down before you think and blow with every passing day. We're so much more than what we're told, than uniforms and flags we fly, a story waiting to unfold beneath the shed and open sky. Let's tear the pages of the past and write a brand new human plea, a future that will finally last, a world for all, wild and free. Paper soldiers, paper lives, look into each other's eyes and find the truth inside. Peace is the only banner we should wave. Peace is the only life we should say. It's not a fantasy, a dream, it's something real we can achieve. Just take a step into the stream and in our common hope believe. Bridge to somewhere. Bridge to somewhere. A new day's here. A new day's here. No more fear. No more fear.
Smoke is clear, the sirens flame. Hollow echo on the air. Promise broken, dead unpaid. Silence born of deep despair. We sift through dust of what was home, a memory held in shattered frames, and wonder why we walk alone, and what remains after the flame. What remains is not the scars, not the bitter dust we breathe, but the light that shines in weary hearts, the hope we suddenly believe. It's the kindness in a stranger's hand, the quiet strength that pulls us through a new beginning in this land, a future beautiful and true. We see the same moon in the night, the same stars in the velvet sky, and in the absence of the fight, we have a chance to reason why we let the shadows grow, why we let the darkness win. But now we reap what we will sow, and let the healing finally begin. What remains is not the scars, not the bitter dust we breathe, but the light that shines in weary hearts, a hope we silently believe. It's the kindness in a stranger's hand, the quiet strength that pulls us through a new beginning in this land, a future beautiful and true. were scorched, a barren land where nothing ever dared to grow. A heavy sky above the hand that tried to hold the falling snow. But in the soil, a single seed, a tiny hope we couldn't see. We nourished it, fulfilled its need, and watched it grow for you and me. And now we stand in a garden we grew, where flowers bloom in every shade, a promise that we have seen come true, a sanctuary we have made. The walls are gone, the fence is down, just open skies and open hearts. The most beautiful thing in any town is this new life where healing starts. The sound of water, clean and clear, the song of birds on every bough. The truth we whispered, held so dear, is finally shouted proudly now. We learn to listen to the earth, to listen to our very soul, to understand our precious worth, and finally make our spirit whole. And now we stand in a garden we grew, where flowers bloom in every shade, a promise we have seen come true, a sanctuary we have made. The walls are gone, the fence is down, just open skies and open hearts. The most beautiful thing in any town is this new life where healing starts. From bitter tears, a gentle rain, from last forever.